Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. In this video, we will tell you about one of the best photo editing software named as Snapseed. It works as professional photo editor developed by the Google, having different amazing features like tune image, details, crop, rotate, perspective, white balance, brush, vignette, text, curves, lens blur, tonal contrast, and others. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Google Play Store on your mobile. Search the app Snapseed. Install this app. Details of this app. Professional quality photo edits with the new Snapseed. Key features. RAW develop, tune image, details, crop, rotate, perspective, white balance, brush, selective, healing, vignette, expand, lens blur, HD escape, grainy fill, and other features. You can read them yourself later. App is installed now. Open it. Tap anywhere to open a photo. Click allow for permissions. We have selected a photo from the gallery. Select the looks. Click OK to select. Tools. Here are the different tools for photo editing. Tune image. Change the brightness. Change the saturation. Change the contrast. Click over here. Other tools. Details. Curves. Move the point with the finger. White balance, crop, rotate, perspective, expand, select, brush. Use the brush to give a new look or exposure. Healing, HD escape, glow, tonal contrast, vintage, grainy fill, white and black, portrait, add pose, lens blur, blur your image with this option. Vignette, outer brightness and inner brightness can be changed. Text or frames. Share, save or export photos after editing. Photo is now saved in gallery. So you see, these are the features that makes it one of the best photo editing app. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.